Welcome to Read and Tech Genopedia. Today we will do coffee quiz. First question. What is coffee? A. It is a bean that grows in a pod on a tree. B. It's a nut that grows in a shell similar to a peanut. C. It is the seed of a cherry that grows on a shrub. The correct answer is C. It is the seed of a cherry that grows on a shrub. Did you know? The coffee bean is the seed of a cherry that grows on a coffee shrub, later processed and roasted to make coffee. Second question. All of the coffee in the world is grown in area between Tropic of Caprio and Tropic of Cancer. What is this area known as? A. The coffee belt. B. The bean belt. C. Both. The correct answer is C. Both. Did you know? The bean belt between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn is ideal for growing coffee beans. Third question. What is green coffee? A. Coffee without milk. B. Unroasted coffee beans. C. Coffee of Green Valley. The correct answer is B. Unroasted coffee beans. Did you know? Green coffee beans are unroasted seeds of the coffee cherry, rich in antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, often used for health benefits. Fourth question. What type of coffee is equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and foam? A. Americano. B. Cappuccino. C. Mocha. The correct answer is B. Cappuccino. Did you know? A cappuccino has equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and foam, offering a balanced and rich taste. Fifth question. Which has the most caffeine? A. Dark roasted beans. B. Medium roasted beans. C. Light roasted beans. The correct answer is C. Light roasted beans. Did you know? Light roasted beans are coffee beans roasted for a shorter time, preserving their natural flavors, acidity, and bright notes. Sixth question. Kopi Luwak, also known as civet coffee, is the most expensive coffee because A. Coffee beans eaten by civet cats and collected from their feces produce unique, luxury coffee. B. These cherry beans are found rarely. C. The process of making is done with high-tech machines. The correct answer is A. Coffee beans eaten by civet cats and collected from their feces produce unique, luxury coffee. Did you know? Civet cats digest coffee beans, producing Kopi Luwak, a unique and luxurious coffee. Seventh question. Which coffee has its signature microfoam dot in the middle? A. Latte. B. Cappuccino. C. Flat white. The correct answer is C. Flat white. Did you know? A flat white is espresso with smooth microfoam, created in Australia or New Zealand. Eighth question. Which nation exports the most coffee internationally? A. Brazil. B. Colombia. C. Vietnam. The correct answer is A. Brazil. Did you know? Brazil, leading coffee exporter for 150 years, produces 1/3 of global coffee, famous for rich, high-quality Arabica beans. Ninth question. Which coffee beans contain less caffeine and are of higher quality? A. Robusta. B. Arabica. C. Tropicana. The correct answer is B. Arabica. Did you know? Arabica beans, with less caffeine and smoother flavor, are higher quality than Robusta, prized for their aromatic and rich taste. 10th question. Coffee masters, who have expertise in Starbucks coffee, wear which color apron? A. Green. B. Red. C. Black. The correct answer is C. Black. Did you know Starbucks coffee masters wear black aprons, representing their expertise, passion, and exceptional coffee knowledge? 11th question. Which is the correct logo of Starbucks? A, B. The correct answer is A. Did you know the Starbucks logo features a twin-tailed siren, symbolizing coffee's rich history and maritime origins? Types of coffees. Mocha. To make mocha coffee, combine espresso, steamed milk, chocolate syrup, and top with whipped cream. Cappuccino. Brew espresso, add chocolate syrup, mix with steamed milk, and top with whipped cream or foam. Latte. Brew espresso, steam milk to a velvety texture, and combine with espresso for a creamy latte. Thank you for watching this video. If you likes the video, please subscribe, like, share, comments.